Hello everyone, in this exercise of SolidWorks, we will create a sheet metal bracket. Actually, in this sheet metal exercise, we will understand about the sketch band, base flange, and the corner trims, flat patterns, and the fold and unfold command. Okay, we will understand these basic things in the sheet metal. Okay, let's start. File, new, part, okay. Part is a default template. If you don't select it, it will open in the part environment. Okay. This is the SolidWorks user interface. I am selecting background plain white. Unit system is the millimeter gram second. You can select as per your requirement here from. Okay. I am taking top plane. Top plane sketch. I am drawing a circle here. This one, circle here. I will take the arbitrary dimension. Just to our purpose is to understand the basic thing like break corner, base flange, fold, unfold, sketch band, flat pattern, etc. Okay, this is a circle. I am taking the dimension of this circle as a 80 mm only. This die is 80 mm only. This one. Okay. Now I am taking a corner triangle. Okay. This one. Okay, I am taking a center line here, this one, and I am joining this midpoint. Yellow is the midpoint, and okay. Now this line vertical relation. Okay, dimension. This dimension I am taking 25 mm. Okay, this dimension I am taking 25 mm, and this dimension I am taking 125 mm. 125 mm. Okay, this. Now I am trimming. Trim entity, power trim. I am selecting this, keep trimmed entities as construction geometry. If you use this option, it will trim. It also will maintain the constraints. Okay. Advantage of this, keep trimmed entities as a construction geometry. If you trim this entity, this actually in order to avoid any constraint conflict, it will maintain. Okay. It will maintain the constraints. Okay, this is the purpose of this thing. Now I will, this is sketch is fully defined. Now I will go in the circular sketch pattern. Center point, this one, entities to pattern, this one, this one, also center line, this one. Number of pattern 3. Okay, this one. Sketch is fully defined, but you have to trim also this. Same thing, trim entity, power trims. You check this thing, keep trimmed entities as a construction geometry. Okay, it will maintain the constraints. Okay, now how? Just left click, drag them. Left click and drag the mouse. Left click, drag the mouse. Left click, drag the mouse. This one. And this, hit the right button. This is sketch is fully defined. Okay, now I will go in the sheet metal base flange. Base flange. I am taking the thickness of the sheet 1.6 mm. Thickness is going down. You can reverse the requirement as per requirement. As per requirement, you can move up or down. Okay, this one. This is the thickness. Now you can apply the fillets here, corner. Actually, in sheet metal, there should not be any sharp edges. Please note this thing. How future fillet radius, this one. Fillet, constant radius fillet, I am taking this as a only 4 mm fillet. 4 mm fillet, this one. Line, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one, and this one. 4 mm circular. Okay, and hit right button. You will see the edges are not sharp. You will see here. This is not completely circle. So what I will do, in order to increase the sharpness of the object or quality of the object model, you can go in this upper portion option, and you can go in the document property. There is image quality option, document property, image quality, this one. You keep this thing higher, shaded this one, and this also wireframe also, this one, and hit the OK button. Now you will see the edges are sharp. Quality of the model is increases. Sharpness of the model increases. You will see here. Now it is completely circular. Now sheet metal break corner. You will see break corner here. This one. Break corner. Select this complete face. Okay, but I am applying the radius. I am taking 12 mm here. This one. The radius, this one. This shape becomes now this thing. Now I will create a counter shrink hole here in order to clamping purpose. Actually, this is the sheet metal bracket. This can be used for different purposes. So, but I will go in the future. There is a hole wizard. This one, hole wizard. There are the different options, hole types. This is the counter bore hole. This is the tapped hole. This is the simple hole. This is also legacy hole. Okay, I am selecting this counter shrink hole. There are various standards here. You will see I have made a separate video on this hole wizard. I am selecting ISO, and this is the CTS counter shrink flat. This one you can select anyone, and I am selecting this M4 mm. Normal fit, I am taking normal fit only. Show custom, you want to change anything, you check this show custom button. You can increase the dia, and you can still change here. Okay, and blind, and this depth is 0.1 mm I am taking, and the up to shoulder, depth up to shoulder, I am selecting this option. And position, now select the position, and select the face normal. This one, the tool is activated. You will see the tool is activated, yellow shade, this one. Now I am clicking anywhere you click here, this one. Now in order to come out of the hole wizard tool, then you will see another tool is coming, hole is coming, this one. First you will see here yellow indication. So in order to come out the hole wizard, you can right click, select, or press escape key. I am selecting right click, select. Now you give the position. Position means at what you have to locate the position of this one. How smart? First I am drawing a center line here. This one, and this one. This and this dimension. Firstly, should be vertical. Sorry. This should be vertical. Okay, and this dimension. This dimension I am taking 112 mm only. 112 mm only. Okay, I am taking arbitrary dimension for this thing. Okay, now you will see dimension and hit right button. Okay, this one. This is created. Counter shrink hole. Now go in the future and circular pattern here. This one. Circular pattern. And this is future is automatically selected, and future is automatically selected. Now this circular portion, this one, this one, and number of patterns 3. Okay, equal spacing, this one. This is, you would see the holes are created here. Okay, now I will bend at 2 portions. This, I will bend this arm, there are the 3 arms, this one. I will bend in 2 opposite direction. How I will do it? Select this face, sketch normal. I will draw a line here, this one here, this, okay, and I am drawing a center line here. Center line is very important in order to make a sketch convenient. Okay, and this one, midpoint, join midpoint, yellow point is the midpoint, this one, and this dimension I am taking 60 mm only, 60 mm only. Okay, this is the sketch. Okay, now hit the right button. Now make a circular pattern here, this one, circular sketch pattern, this one, this sketch is selected, entity is to pattern, this one, also this one. Okay, center line and this one. Select this face and this one, sketch, and this line, this one, horizontal, yes, horizontal. Now center line, draw from here to here, midpoint, this one. Now in circular pattern, this one, select this point, and entities to pattern, this one, and this center line here. Equal spacing, number of pattern is 3, only 3. This one, this pattern is maintained. Okay, this dimension you can take, I am taking this dimension 60 mm only. Sketch is fully defined. No, 60 mm. 60 mm. Now I will make it in the sheet metal. In the sheet metal, go in the sketch band, this one. Now select the band parameter. This, you will see fixed space. Fixed space is this one. I am selecting fixed space. Now band is taking place. There are the 4 options here. This is the band will take place at the center of the line. Okay, this is the material inside, this is the material outside. If you select this one, material of this line inside, if you select this portion, this is bending, the material is outside of this line, and this is the band outside. In this portion, band is outside, thickness plus band, this one. But I am taking material inside, this one. I am taking material inside, and angle is taking, I am taking 40-degree angle. Okay, but band is upside. Band is up, but I am reversing the direction from me. Radius is default. I am taking radius default, or you can change from it. I'll check it. You can change the radius. Okay, and this one. This is upside and downs. This one, downside. Okay, this one. Now you can fold it. Fixed face. This one. This is the fixed space. You can select individually bands. Here manually you can select all the 3 bands, or collect all bands. This one. Unfold. I have to use unfold. Or unfold fixed space, this one, and you can select manually all the bands. This one, or collect all bands. Automatically selected 3 bands and hit right button. Now this is in flat position. Now again select this face, sketch normal, and again I am taking the line, 3 lines I am taking, this one, this horizontal, okay, same thing, center line. Center line is very useful in order to conveniency of the sketch. This one, and this dimension I am taking, this dimension I am taking 100 mm. 100 mm I am taking this one. Okay, this dimension I am this one, and again circular sketch pattern, center point this one, and pattern number of 3, entities to pattern this one and this one, and hit right button, 4 lines up. Now again I will use the band, sketched band. This sheet metal go in the sketched band, this one, sketched band, fixed face, this one, this is the fixed base. Now band is going up, and angle I am taking 40 degree. Option same, material inside, I am taking material inside this line. Okay, 4 options, center line band, material outside, and this is the band outside. Okay, and band is I am taking this 40, same angle, this one, and hit the right button, this one, and again unfold, fold it, fixed face, select all bands, hit right button, this one. In this way you can use this. Now select this face, sketch and normal. I am drawing a circle here. This circle I am taking 25 mm. Okay, this circle is 25 mm. In the sheet metal, extrude cut, blind, link to thickness. This is a very good feature in the sheet metal. Actually cut will take place up to the sheet thickness. Okay, there is no need to give the dimension here. This one, this is the cutting take place here. Again select this space, or you can make a hole here, or counter sink hole you can make. Again, suppose in the future hole wizard, counter sink hole, and this time I am taking 6 mm M6 hole, blind, same thing, same parameter. Okay, but size is I am taking M6. They are different standard. There are the different types of holes you can select, and there are different types of the standards. You can select any standard. I am taking ISO, fit normal. There are different types of the fit. You can take it here, and show custom. You can show, you want to still change the any dimension, you can check. This is the count upper portion dia, this is the upper portion dia, and this is the main hole dia, this is the counter sink degree, this is the bottom tip angle. You can decide from here. Actually I have made a separate video on a hole wizard in the detail. You can watch on that on my channel. Okay, you can please see. Now position, select this face, you will see the blue indication is coming. It means hole is activated. Normal, and you can click anywhere. Okay, now you come in order to come out this hole wizard, right click or escape key. I am right clicking, select. Now you can position it, any dimension you can give it. How? You go in this position, sketch position, and this right, take a center line and join it here, this one and this one, and smart dimension. Firstly this vertical relation or dimension you can take it. I am taking this as a 25 mm only. 25 mm only. Okay, this dimension I am taking 25 mm. Now this one, and hit right button. Counter shrink hole is created here. Now again, linear, this portion, circular pattern, hole is future is automatically selected. Okay, this one, direction you can take anything, this one, and 3 hole. I am taking only equal spacing 3 holes only. These are holes for the mounting purposes only. Anything you can special mounting on it, this one, and in this way you can make this one, and you give the appearance for here, from here part you can the special, this one, appearance. I am taking the appearance, you can take it, and this one, or this I am taking this operation. This is the operation, this one you can give it, this one. Isometric view, trimetric view, diametric view, isometric. Pan, this one, select. You can flatten it. You can flatten this view. You can flatten. How it flatten you? Sheet metal, flatten it, this one. This one is flatten view. Normal, this one. Again normal, or you can take from the view from here. Top view here. This is, you can flatten it. You can export as a DXF file in AutoCAD. How? Right click on this one, export to DXF, this file, export to DXF. Right click, export to DXF, DWG file, and save. You can save it. This window comes. This DXF file is used on all CNC machine as AutoCAD. This file is actually the AutoCAD file. Okay, you can sheet metal, you activate different parameter as you required. You can select it. Sketches, band lines, library feature. There is no library feature. Forming tool, no forming tool here. Bounding box is this one. Bounding box, this one. You can select it and give this one. This. You can save, and you can save it. This file is applicable or all the CNC machine as a AutoCAD purpose. Okay, the DXF file, and save it. This one. Okay, I hope you would have enjoyed in this exercise. You please like, subscribe, and share my likes and share and subscribe my this channel. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Okay.